Hi everybody, welcome to the iLanguage Training Center, a new concept English video classroom, and I'm Legend. And today we will learn lesson 38. What are you going to do? What are you doing now? Assalamu alaikum sağoldaşlar, yaxshimisizlar? Endi bugungi darsimizda biz 38 dars, ya'ni shu oldingi 37 dars o'rgangan bir yangi bir uqumning takrori bo'lgan shu darsimizni o'rganmoqchi. Endi bugungi darsimizda shu intayin muhim bo'lgan bir ikki jumla shaklini mashq qilmoqchi. U bo'lsin nima desanglar, what are you going to do and what are you doing now? Okay, what are you going to do and what are you doing now? Okay, endi birinchisi shu yangi so'zlarni o'rganib boqaylik. Birinchisi homework. Okay, homework. Okay, endi bu yerga homework deganimiz nima desanglar, masalan home deganimiz uy degan gap, shunaqa? Uyga ketib ishlaydigan bir ish bo'lsa nima? Homework. Ayol topshiriq, masalan maktablarimizda bergan topshiriqlarni homework deymiz. Masalan do homework bo'lsa topshiriq ishlamak. Albatta do homework. Masalan what is she doing? Okay, endi bu qizchaning nima qilyapti bolalar? Ya'ni she is doing her homework now. Hozir o'ziniki topshiriqni ishlayapti. Her degan uni ishlama. She is doing her homework now. She is doing his homework now. So, do you do homework every day? Siz har kuni topshiriq ishlamsiz? Do you do? Demakchi siz har kuni topshiriq ishlamsiz? The second name is today's. Okay, yes I do. Ishlama. Yana today's homework is on page 10. And the bugungi topshiriq 10-betda. Bu yerda page deganimiz nima desanglar? Bet. Page 10, 10-bet. Bugunlik topshiriq bo'lsa, nechinchi betda? 10-betda. All right. Next one is listen. Okay, listen. Okay, endi men talaffuzga diqqat qilamiz. Mana T harfi qanday qilmaydi desanglar, talaffuz qilin. Listen emas, listen. Okay. Nimada o'qiydigimiz listen. Okay. Endi listen deganimiz nima desanglar? Listen anlamak. Okay, anlamak. Masalan bu qizchaq nima ish qo'yibdi? Naqshanlar aytibdi shunami? Listen. Okay, listen to music. Musiqa anglamak degan gap, listen to music. You know, listen to music. And listen to me. Meaning gapimni anglang. Meaning gapimni anglang degan gap, listen to me. Meaning gapimni anglang. Listen to music. Musiqa anglamak shunami? So, what is she doing? So what is she doing? All right, you know, she is listening to music. Or musica anlayapti. She is listening to music. Listening to music. Okay, what about listen to me? Okay, meaning okay, demek I'm the listen, demek anlamak. Listen to me, meaning anlamak. Listen to music, musica anlamak. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is listening to music. She is listening to music. All right. Next one is dish. Okay. Dish. Ajak bala dish deyip vardı ki. Dish emasmi? Dish. Tavşvaya. Şunama? Dish. All right. Dish. Dish deganimiz nima? Taxsa. Taxsa. Mesela taxsini yumak bo'lsa, washing the dishes. Okay, washing the dishes. Taxsini qanday qilmoq? Yumak. Washing the dishes. And enjoy the dish bo'lsa nima bo'ldi? Okay, ham demishadi. Dish degan ham yana bir taom deb ma'nosi bor bo'ladimi? Yani enjoy the dish ham taxsidan o'zirilgan, taxsi qarab yeb o'zirilgan olmaydi-ku. And enjoy the dish degan shu tamoq. Taom, masalan, Uyghur dish deb qo'yamiz. Uyghur taamlari degandek. Shunami? Uyghur dish. Uyghur dish. Okay, and does your mom wash the dishes every day? Sizning opangiz har kuni qanday qilamdi? Qachon yuvamdi? Okay, nima? Does your mom wash the dishes every day? Har kuni qachon yuvamdi? Demak, endi bu yerga washing dishes degan nima? Qachon yumak. Okay. And Lily, mush oshxonada qachon yuvayapti degan nima? Lily is washing the dishes. Okay, Lily is washing the dishes in the kitchen. Okay? In the kitchen shu ashxonada qanday qilyotidi? Qach yuvotidi. Qach yuvotidi. Xo'sh, hamsa bizniki written exercise masa yozuvchilik mashqi qaraylik. Endi bu shu example qarab endi qolganini ishlaymiz. Ammo shu jumlani am is are bu shu BP'lar orqali to'ldirdik endi misolda. Qaranglar. What you doing? Endi bu you deganimiz endi ikkinchi shaxs birlik yoki ko'plik bo'lsa o'xshashlarga BP ni are. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, endi bu she bo'lganiga nima? What is she doing? Okay, what is she doing? And that o'qiyotidi. And that she o'qishlar uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'lsa is called she is reading. What about that? What you doing? Okay, you doing. You o'qishlar are. What are you doing? So we watching TV. And if we ko'plik bo'lganda we are watching TV. Okay, next one. What they doing? Ular nima ish qiladi? And what are they doing? What are they doing? And they doing homework. And the they nima ish qiladi? They are doing homework. They are doing homework. They are doing homework. And the paint this bookcase. And paint this bookcase bo'lsa, bu kitob shkafni qanday qilmoq, sirlamoq. Endi buni examplega asosan endi ishlaysiz. Masalan, what are you going to do? Endi siz nima ish qilmoqchi? I'm going to paint this bookcase. And men bu kitob shkafni sirlamoqchi. And what are you doing now? Okay, I am painting this bookcase. Hamda men bu nima deysan? Avval hamda so'raydiganimiz hamda nima aytsan? What are you going to do deb ma'ni. Uning ikkinchi o'rtasida ikkinchisiga what are you doing now? Deganda hamda men paint the bookcase u bu deb berganga shuning asosan ham jumla shaklini qanday qilamiz? Qurashtirib chiqamiz. Masalan, listen to music. Yoki listen to the radio. Listen to the radio. Hamda u nima ish qilmoqchi? Nima? Yoki siz nima ish qilmoqchi? What are you going to do? I'm going to listen to radio. Radio anglashgan. So what are you doing now? Okay, endi men radio anglayapman deymishman. I am listening to the radio. Okay, I am listening to the radio. Okay, and the king say wash the dishes. And this is nima ish qilmoqchi? Okay, bana nima? What are you going to do? And the u nima ish qilmoqchi bo'lsa, what is she going to do? She is going to wash the dishes. And the qachquchlarni shumoqchi. So what is she doing now? She is washing the dishes. Okay, hamda u qanday qilyapti? Qachon yuvadi? Agar hamda men shu kitob shkafini silayotgan bo'lsa, I am painting this bookcase. Hamda men olmishib qolibdi. Sorry. Bo'ldi, sadoqlar shu oldimizdagi kuch misolga asosan sizlar qanday qilinglar desanglar, bo'lsa, shu darslikniki shu davomini bir ishlasanglar. Bo'lsa ishlab bizga rasm tortib bersanlar, men bilanmi yoki bizniki xodimlar, o'qituvchilar sizlarga tuzib shuni avatib bersak bo'ldi. All right, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.